Welcome to WBidValet, a completely new way to bid, all at once. Let's get started. Touch the Start button, and let's download the bid data again. Baltimore, Captain, first round. Log in with your CWA credentials. WBidValet will now proceed to download the bid data and get it ready for creating your bid. In the next step, you will be setting filters. This is the meat and potatoes of WBidValet. As you can see, I already have 8 filters set. They are saved from the previous time I bid. Let's clear the filters by touching the Clear link at the top. With the previous filters cleared, we'll now add filters to show you how to create a set of filters for a complete bid. Touch the plus sign at the top. This reveals the 12 filters available in WBidValet. Now we're going to set days of the week all and days of the week some. Let's start by setting 4 days of the week all. Remember, green is good. Touch the days of the week you do not want to fly. The first filter says I want to fly Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The second filter, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The third filter, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the last filter says I want to fly any day but Saturday. Now let's add 4 days of the week some filters, and I'll show you why. Even though I'm willing to fly on Sunday, I want to fly as few Sundays as possible. So I'll set these days of the week filters up to find all the lines that have less than 1 Sunday, less than 2 Sundays, less than 3 Sundays, less than 4 Sundays, less than 5 Sundays. You can touch each of the days of the week and the number on it to set the filter up. Remember, you're telling it what you want. Okay, just remembered the wife says I need the 19th off, and also I want to fly on the 24th. I want to be gone when my mother-in-law visits. Use the days of the month filter. Next, I like Austin overnights, so I'm going to add that by using overnight cities filter. Note in this display, if the city is black, there are no overnights in the bid data for that month. Okay, I've got my filters set, but my priorities aren't correct. The highest priorities need to be at the top. The wife has said the 19th is a must-off, and then after that, Austin overnights. So I move those to the top by dragging them using the drag icon on the right. When you touch Done at the top right, you'll be asked if you want to save the selected filters as a default. I'm going to touch Yes. With 11 filters set, WBidValet will search for over 2,000 different combinations of those filters in the lines. So now we need to tell WBidValet how to sort within each combination. You can use standard sort or block sort. We'll use block sort. With block sort, you can build your own custom sort. Since I like PMs, I'm going to do PMs, then AMs, followed by pay. Oops, I meant to hit PM, then AM. Let's delete that. PM, AM, now pay. Now we need to tell WBidValet what to do with the blank and reserve lines. Let's put them at the bottom. Reserve first, then blank. For flight attendants, you do the same thing with ready and reserve in the second round. Since we have 11 filters set, WBidValet will consider 2,048 different combinations. It'll check to see if the lines meet your priorities within those different combinations. Notice how quickly WBidValet steps through 2,048 different combinations. Okay, I know it's magic, but here is your bid list. All 480 lines sorted in accordance with your priorities. Touch the mini calendar icon to display the line in a calendar. Touch the trip to display the trip in trip detail. If you look at the mini calendar icon closely, you'll see it's a very good representation of what the line does in the month. It also differentiates between AMs and PMs for each individual trip. If you want to move an individual line, just drag it up or down using the drag icon on the right. If you want to move multiple lines, touch the circle on the right side of the line, turn it purple, then touch where you want to move the lines. When you touch there, a menu will appear and allow you to move the lines either above or below where you touched. Now let's submit the bid list. You can submit all or some. I've selected some, and since my seniority is 18, I'm going to submit 18 lines. Log in with your CWA credentials. Since you are not in the bid period, no actual bid is submitted. However, you can practice. If you are a WBid Max user, you can synchronize your bid with WBid Max on the PC, Mac, or iPad. If we were in a bid period, at this point a bid receipt would return and be displayed right on your iPhone. Okay, that's it. This wraps up the introduction to WBidValet. Practice and play with it. I think you'll have a lot of fun.